Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to fix a problem with Google Wallet or Google GPay. So what you want to do is just go to settings and then just type in apps and go here. Now you will find Google Wallet or GPay and enter it. And first thing you need to do is go to force stop, say yes, then click storage, and then go on clear data, and let him clear the data. And then go to uninstall, and once you install the app and log in again, it should work. Let us know if this helped you out and subscribe for more useful tips.